Did you know that Indonesia is the Southeast Asia's largest economy with a projected growth of 5.2% in 2024? Whether you are looking forward to dive into e-commerce, manufacturing or routine tourism, Indonesia is a hidden gem for entrepreneurs. In today's video, I am sharing insight tips that will set up you for the success in the vibrant and dynamic markets. Let's go start. Hi there, welcome back to Opportunities with Akhil. I'm your host Akhil. In this video, we are diving deep into how to do business in Indonesia. We'll explore the country's top industries like e-commerce, tourism and manufacturing and how you can overcome the challenges of the market. Plus, I will walk you through a simplified version of the registration process to get your business up and running. Let's jump in. I will talk about the challenges. So let's start by talking about the challenges foreign business face in Indonesia. Yes, opportunities are huge, but so are the hurdles. Take e-commerce for example. It's booming in Indonesia, but navigating logistic and local payment systems can be tricky. In tourism, regional variations in demand means you need and understand where and when you have to invest. And for manufacturing, it's growing fast, but foreign entrepreneurs can struggle with regulatory barriers and complex supply chain. But don't worry, these challenges are manageable with the right knowledge and strategies. Exploring tips and strategies. Alright, now let's talk about how to succeed. Here are my top tips for Indonesia hottest industries. First up is the e-commerce. Indonesia is one of the fastest growing e-commerce market in the world. To thrive here, localize your product, work with local logistic partners and make sure you are offering convenient payment options like GoPay and Dana. Next is the tourism. With its stunning landscape and rich culture, tourism in Indonesia is booming. If you are in hospitality, eco-tourism or travel services, focus on the building relationship with the local communities. That's the key of standing out. Finally, manufacturing. From textile to electronics, Indonesia is a manufacturing hub. Setting up a strong locally supply chain and taking advantages of government incentives for the foreign investors can give you a serious competitive edge. Here I would like to discuss a success story of Asara. Now let's talk about the general example based on the real experience from the entrepreneurs in Indonesia. A small group of international tourisms, Sara investors set up a suitable travel business in Bali a few years ago. By partnering with local guides and adapting to the need of eco-conscious travelers, they quickly build up a reputation. Despite early challenges with regulations and finding reliable partners, their persistence and connections with local communities paid off. Today, their business is thriving, attracting tourism from all over the world. So, the lesson is here. Invest time in building a strong local relationship and understanding the culture. You will be rewarded with success. Now, I will talk about the registration process. So, let's quickly cover how you can officially register your business in Indonesia. The process might seem complex, but here are the simplified version of what you can need to do as a foreign entrepreneurs. First of all, choose your business structure. The most common option for the foreigners is the PTPMA, which stands for the Perseverance, Terbatas and Pinanaman. A model aging basically a foreign owned company. Second is the submit your necessary documents. You will need to provide things like the copy of your passport, details of your business plan and proof of a registered office. Apply for a business identification number known as the NIB. This is done through the Indonesian OSS online single submission system. It covers licenses, permits and your company registration. Fourth is the registration for the tax. You will also need a taxpayer identification number NPWP to legally operate in Indonesia. This process can take few weeks and it's a good idea to work with local legal consultant to ensure everything runs smoothly. So to recap, Indonesia top industries like e-commerce, tourism and manufacturing offers amazing opportunities for foreign entrepreneurs. With the right strategy, partnership and understanding the local business culture and registration process, you can thrive in the booming economy. Have you done business in Indonesia or are you thinking about it? I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comment box and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to opportunities with the keel and check out my other videos for more international business tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.